Imagine this. In the vast depths of space, 124 light-years away in the constellation Leo, a planet orbits a faint red dwarf. And in its clouds, something incredible might be hiding: signs of life. This is K2-18b, a world 8.5 times the mass of Earth, with an atmosphere rich in water vapor. Beneath a thick hydrogen-helium shell, there could be a global ocean stretching hundreds of kilometers deep. In 2023, astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope found not just water, but molecules that on Earth are produced only by living organisms. This discovery challenged everything we thought about life beyond the solar system. But is it really life, or cosmic noise? The answer could change how we see our place in the universe. K2-18b was discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler telescope using the transit method, observing how a planet slightly dims its star's light as it passes in front of it. Its orbit lies in the habitable zone where liquid water can exist and where life might survive. But K2-18b is no Earth twin. It's a super-Earth or mini-Neptune, with a radius 2.5 times that of Earth and a mass nearly 9 times greater. Its low density hints at a thick atmosphere and a deep global ocean over a rocky core. Halcyon worlds like this were once thought too extreme for life. High pressures, freezing temperatures, or searing heat made them unlikely candidates. Yet K2-18b is different. It receives only slightly more light than Earth does from the Sun. Its equilibrium temperature is around -8 degrees Celsius. Under its thick atmosphere, liquid water could exist, making it one of the most promising targets in the search for life beyond Earth. The first breakthrough came in 2019, when astronomers combining Kepler, Spitzer, and Hubble data detected significant water vapor in K2-18b's atmosphere, a first for any planet in the habitable zone. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope focused on K2-18b, searching not just for water, but for molecules that could indicate biological activity. Using transit spectroscopy, scientists analyze starlight passing through the planet's atmosphere. Different molecules absorb light at specific wavelengths, leaving fingerprints that reveal the atmospheric composition. In April 2025, measurements showed water, methane, and carbon dioxide, and possible traces of dimethyl sulfide, a compound on Earth produced exclusively by living organisms, mostly marine phytoplankton. If confirmed, this could be the strongest indirect evidence of extraterrestrial life ever detected. K2-18b is a world hard to imagine. Beneath a thick hydrogen-helium atmosphere, with pressures tens or even hundreds of times greater than Earth, may lie a global ocean hundreds of kilometers deep. The surface temperature is freezing, but thanks to the greenhouse effect, the water below could be warm enough to support life. Water may make up half the planet's mass, the rest a rocky core. K2-18b is likely tidally locked, with one side facing its star forever and the other in eternal darkness. Yet its dense atmosphere redistributes heat, smoothing out extremes. The true mystery is its atmospheric composition. Water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and possibly dimethyl sulfide. If real, this would be the most compelling sign of life beyond Earth. Yet the signal is faint, and unknown non-biological processes could also produce the gas. The story of K2-18b is more than a scientific milestone. It is humanity's step toward answering the question, are we alone in the universe? For scientists, the planet is a laboratory to study water under extreme pressure, the formation of organic molecules, and the possibilities for life in a global ocean beneath a dense atmosphere. For the rest of us, it is a moment to reflect. If life can exist on such an alien world, perhaps it is far more common than we think. And if the signals are just cosmic noise, that too teaches us how surprising and complex the universe can be. K2-18b is not the only planet in the habitable zone, but it stands out. It is the first Halcyon planet studied in such detail. If life is found here, it could reshape our understanding. Life may thrive not on Earth-like planets, but on ocean worlds with thick atmospheres. History reminds us to be cautious. Astronomers once mistook illusions for canals on Mars, yet the temptation to see life where it may not exist remains. K2-18b is a test of scientific maturity. Can we distinguish signal from noise, hope from reality? The search for life has entered a new era. We are no longer limited to seeking a second Earth. Life may exist under radically different conditions. Technology, from space telescopes to algorithms, is delivering answers. K2-18b raises profound questions. What does life look like under immense pressure in eternal night, or under the dim glow of a red dwarf? K2-18b is more than a point of light in the sky. It is a symbol of curiosity and courage, a reminder of how little we know and how much remains to be discovered. Signal of life or cosmic noise? We do not yet know. But the fact that we can even ask the question is a triumph. Perhaps K2-18b will be the first world where humanity encounters alien life. Or perhaps it will teach us to cherish the fragility and uniqueness of our own planet. Either way, the search continues. And that is the most thrilling journey of all.